Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix QR code scanner not working in Realme 14T. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I'm showing in video. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then click on app management. Now scroll down and click on camera and here you can see the option force stop. Now here you can force stop your camera. Now click on force stop and then again click on force stop. After force stop your camera, then go back and click on storage and usage, and here you can clear the cache memory of your camera. After clear the cache memory, then go back to your home screen and open your camera. On top right corner you can see these three lines. Now click on it and then click on settings and scroll down and here you can go back and on top you can see the scanner icon. Now click on it and here you can enable your scanner. Now go back to your home screen and open settings again. In settings, scroll down and click on system and updates, and on top you can see the option software update. Now click on software update and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.